Okay, let's dive into this. We're looking at the IONOS Health and Fitness Smartwatch today.
Right.
Marketed, with this incredible promise, 30 days battery life, Bluetooth calling, only 100 pounds, and supposedly from a UK company.
Mm-hmm. Supposedly.
Our mission here is to really unpack the sources and see how that marketing completely falls apart against what buyers actually experienced. It looks like a pattern of deception.
It's quite something, isn't it? The gap between the pitch and the reality, especially on like the core claims, the branding, the tech specs. How far off can it be?
Well, let's start right there with the branding. That UK-based claim, it sounds trustworthy, right?
Yeah, implies quality, local support maybe.
But the sources show it's not registered at UK Companies House. That's the official government list of businesses.
So not actually a registered UK company then.
Seems like it. It feels like faux British branding. And
Yeah.
the logistics kind of give it away, too. Products shipped straight from China.
Ah, okay.
And here's the kicker. If you want to return it, you pay international shipping and customs fees.
Oof. So they make it expensive and difficult right from the start if something's wrong. That's a barrier.
Exactly. Designed to make you think twice. But let's talk about the tech itself. The promises versus the reality.
Yeah, the big ones were that 30-day battery life and IP67 water resistance. That means it should handle being submerged, briefly at least.
Right. But what users found, battery lasts maybe 2 days, tops.
2 days, not 30.
Nope. And the Bluetooth for calling, constantly disconnecting apparently, makes the feature pretty useless.
Okay, so the core functions are failing.
And get this anecdote. One user said their watch died in a paddling pool, like 4 inches of water.
4 inches. That completely blows the IP67 claim out of the water, pardon the pun.
Yeah, one source called it water suggestion, not resistance.
That's accurate, it seems. So, okay, the product doesn't work as advertised. What happens when people complain? What about customer service?
Oh, this is where it gets really choreographed. Trustpilot reports are revealing. You apparently can't cancel an order even minutes after placing it.
Seriously? Even if it hasn't shipped?
They claim it shipped, even when tracking shows it sitting still. It's another wall.
Wow.
And if you complain about it being faulty, they don't just offer a refund. They start this weird discount game.
Discount game.
Yeah, like first they offer 2% off to keep it, then 4%, then maybe 15%.
Wait, so they're trying to bargain with you to keep a broken product?
Pretty much. It feels like they're playing on your patience, hoping you'll just take a small refund and give up on returning it. It's like exploiting that feeling of, oh, I've already spent the money.
The sunk cost fallacy. Wow, that's not support, that's actively trying to prevent returns.
And it basically cancels out their own 90-day money-back guarantee.
How so?
Well, one buyer apparently spent 2 whole months fighting for a refund. Nothing worked.
So what did they do?
They finally did a bank chargeback, where the bank forcibly takes the money back due to fraud or goods not received as described.
Hitting them where it hurts. Did that work?
Instantly. The company suddenly became super responsive, begging the buyer to cancel the chargeback.
That tells you everything. Chargebacks threaten their ability to process payments. That's their weak spot.
Exactly. So if all this wasn't enough, here's the big reveal. The aha moment. The IONOS watch. It looks identical to generic smartwatches you can find on Alibaba.
For how much?
Like $5 to $20.
What? And they're selling it for 100 pounds?
Yep. We're talking potentially a 500% markup, maybe more. It's classic dropshipping, but with this deceptive layer of branding and terrible service.
So it's just a cheap, generic product with a fancy name and a UK facade slapped on it?
Seems that way. Scam Advisor gives the company a really low trust score, too, noting that a lot of the positive reviews look fake.
Okay, so pulling it all together, the pattern is pretty stark, isn't it? Promise the moon with slick marketing, deliver a basic, often faulty generic product,
Right.
and then have a customer service system designed purely to block refunds and protect that massive markup.
Yeah, that sums it up. So for you listening, what's the takeaway? This whole IONOS situation is basically a textbook example of red flags for buyer regret.
Absolutely.
If a gadget promises the world great specs, local company, low price, but you can't easily verify the company details, and returns seem difficult right away, those alarm bells should be ringing loudly.
It really raises a crucial point for anyone buying tech online these days, doesn't it? With rebranding being so easy.
Yeah.
What else should you do beyond just reading reviews? How do you actually check if a company is who they say they are, or if they're really based where they claim before you click buy?
That's the key question. Maybe it's time to check the official company register before you check out your cart.
Could save you a lot of hassle.
Oh.
And money.